A lot of times there are expenses that people feel are very business related and very associated with a business, but are actually not business expenses and need to be very aware of that. So a very common case of this has to do with attire. Someone says, "Oh, I'm buying suits for work. Oh, I'm buying this for work." However, if you are able to wear those items outside of a business setting, e.g., a suit at a wedding or at a funeral, then it is no longer considered to be a business expense. A business expense needs to be considered ordinary and necessary within the circumstances of your business, and taxpayers need to understand they are a matter of legislative grace, meaning they are given to the taxpayers, but the burden of proof of them being ordinary and necessary fall on you. So I always take the approach or look at it as a drop of poison ruins the whole well, meaning if there are potential personal use components within these deductions, more likely than not, you are going to have difficulty. So that gives difficulty to home office items, commuting versus business travel, meals and entertainment, personal expenses that don't have a business narrative to them. All of these, while they can feel business at times, very much aren't. I've seen taxpayers who say, "Oh, well, I need to look good for my role as an attorney, so my biweekly haircut and manicure should be deductible." Well, as nice as that would be, unfortunately, that is not the case. I had someone once say to me, "I can't talk without my teeth, so I have to get new teeth. That should be a business expense." Yes, while you do need these to do what you need to do for your business, they also have a personal component to it. So when thinking about a business expense, it needs to be ordinary, necessary, and have a relationship to the business that you are doing and be predominantly for business.